Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in today's video I am going to be preparing coconut rice. Yes, coconut rice. This is my coconut milk I'm going to be using. So this is my vegetables. Okay, I have three colors of bell pepper. I have my carrots, onions, rice. This is my rice, a full cup of rice. I have my liver, then I have my turkey. So I am going to be seasoning the meat. While after seasoning the meat, then I will put it on the fire while I cook the meat. Then I will be slicing the rest of the ingredients. So guys, let's get started.
Tune in, watch and delight. Food channels, flavor taking flight. Dishes and tastes, a savory drink. Cooking stories on the screen. It seems all the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Oh, the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Valex kitchen, cooking stories of Valex kitchen. Oh, the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Oh, the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Valex kitchen, cooking stories of Valex kitchen. Oh, Valex kitchen. Tune in, watch and delight. Food channels, flavor taking flight. Dishes and tastes, a savory drink. Cooking stories on the screen. It seems all the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Oh, the spice, the act of cooking speed. On this channel where magic begins. Valex kitchen, cooking stories of Valex kitchen. Oh, the
Guys,
the act of cooking speed.
coconut rice is ready and is so delicious.
On this channel where magic begins. Valex kitchen, cooking stories of Valex kitchen. Oh, Valex kitchen.
Guys, our rice is ready to eat.
Guys, wow, This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Mm. Mm. Guys, I love it. I love it, believe me. Wow. 10 over 10, guys. It's so delicious.